All right, let's dive into Ontario's waste problem. There's a ticking clock, and it's getting loud.
Seems like a simple question, right? But the answer? Well, it's way more urgent than you might think.
Right now, if we don't change a thing, all of Ontario's landfills are projected to be full by 2037.
But what happens if a key part of our current strategy just vanishes overnight?
Well, that deadline suddenly jumps forward 3 whole years. We'd run out of space by 2034.
So this 3-year difference, it's all about a pressure release valve. And that valve is in Michigan.
You see, right now, we ship more than a quarter of all our disposed waste to the U.S.
That's a staggering 3.44 million tons heading across the border every single year.
And here's why. It's just so much cheaper to dump in Michigan. It's a huge financial incentive.
Michigan tried to raise their fees, but it failed, so the border stayed wide open, economically speaking.
Now get this, private companies control over half our landfill space, and they love that cheap Michigan option.
But relying on another country like this, it's a massive geopolitical risk. It's a huge vulnerability.
Right now, we're protected by a special trade rule. It's called originating goods status.
But here's the catch. That trade deal, the USMCA, is up for review on July 1st, 2026.
And if that protection disappears, a massive 35% tariff could hit, basically slamming the border shut.
And that right there is the 3-year cliff. It's the difference between 2 completely different futures.
Like the report says, this isn't just about landfill space. It's a full-blown financial and logistical cliff.
This is a textbook strategic vulnerability. Our whole system depends on something we absolutely can't control.
So what's Ontario doing about it? They're racing to build domestic solutions. Let's take a look.
The pivot is all about 3 things: high-tech recycling, turning waste into energy, and creating biofuels.
And these aren't small-scale projects. We're talking a huge push for self-reliance and new tech.
So this brings us to the final countdown. That key USMCA review date is just months away now.
Which leaves us with one big, lingering question. Will a trade deal decide the fate of Ontario's trash?